All right, Larry, your thoughts about today's hearing?
I thought it was very good hearings. I appreciate the judge's rulings. I think he's more than fair. I appreciate the court's position in this, and I certainly appreciate the state's position in this. And you know, what this turns out to be time-wise will be. And we've waited 3 years, and another January the 17th, that's fine. If it's July 17th, that's fine. We're going to be here. We haven't walked away. We intend to follow this through, the good Lord's willing. And I just appreciate everybody involved in this. This is, as I've said many times, this is like our second home. We love Rexburg, we love St. Anthony, and we love the state. It's just a marvelous state. I love JJ and Kylie more, and I miss them terribly. My little man, you know, is 10 years old, and there's not a day goes by that something we don't see reminds us of JJ. There was another incident of a family taking their children, and they've been unaccountable for just very recently, as you know. And I can tell you that Kay cried for 30 minutes nonstop, just having to relive this from what we've gone through. And it hurts. It really hurts. I hope those children are found. I hope that a right decision is made. I wish there was so much more that was available to grandparents' right. I think it's a big area in the United States and a big area in our state of Louisiana, and from what I've seen here, that's an issue that needs to be addressed. You know, we all make mistakes. Everybody does. I don't care who you are. Everybody makes a mistake. But life is pretty simple. It's a choice and a consequence. And the choice that family is making can be a horrible consequence. We're living it. We've been living it for 3 years. So in regards to the other family, I really hope they come to their senses and the right thing is done. For the grandparents of those children, we absolutely understand. We understand more than you will ever imagine. And so I pray that it comes to a happy conclusion.
Larry, what do you want to see most right now? What do you want to be able to do?
You know, at this point, I want what is right. And I know that's an old adage, but I want what is right. But on the other hand, these continuous filings that the defense is doing is a stall tactic. I don't think there's anybody alive that does not recognize that. And but they have to be treated fair, and we understand that, and we accept that. But I would really like, first of all, a fair trial, and give us our grandkids. You know, I mean, whether it's they give them to us, whether they give them to their brother, you know, let us conclude this. And then the trial is going to be a trial. There's no doubt. Whether it's a bench trial, whether it's a murder trial in Boise, it's going to happen. There is no doubt about that. And so all we want to do is at this point, John, is to simply continue to move forward and let the state prove what they prove and let the defense file what they file, but take some consideration and let's just all keep moving forward.
You want to be able to take care of those kids, finally.
John, if there is anything in this trial that I want more than that, I can't think of it. And the outcome of this trial is what the outcome of this trial is going to be. But I think at this point, our family, and that includes our friends here, it includes our friends from all over the world, just give us an opportunity to close this item, this one bit of stress for us. And now, can we wait? Sure we can. We waited, what, 2.5 years now? I think it's been, yeah, about 2.5 years now. And the children are still in the freezer. And all we want is a little bit of closure on that, so that at least we have a grave site, so at least we have some closure on that. And that's important to us. It really is.